It was the internet. I began looking through, and I thought it was just something about her face. She just looked kind and caring, and I thought, I don't know, I just had a good feeling. My treatment was 1 year ago. And I came in as soon as I was able, as soon as it was permitted. I felt fine, and of course there's this period of time where you wonder, is it going to work? Is it ever going to come back in? But then it does. The old ones fall out, and then you're worried, and then they start growing back in. I really was no pain with as far as the recovery. Oh, my wife, of course, she was always very encouraging. There's me, I'm skeptical, and I don't know but she said, be patient, wait, read the information. It says it's not going to happen overnight. It takes a little time. So it took a little time, but it happened. Second procedure, more fill-in, just sticking it up, making it thick.